Will AI steal software engineers' jobs? This question has been on the minds of many in the tech industry, sparking debates and discussions across forums and workplaces. Or are engineers safe to keep Googling how to fix this bug at 2 a.m.? The reality is the landscape of software engineering is evolving, and AI is playing a significant role in this transformation. Let's settle this once and for all. We need to understand the capabilities and limitations of AI in the context of software development. Hey, techies and curious minds, welcome to another exciting episode. Welcome to No Scope, where I decode the world of facts, tech, and history. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Can AI replace software engineers? Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Can AI replace software engineers? This question isn't just theoretical, it has real-world implications for the future of work. Spoiler alert, it's not as simple as yes or no. The answer lies in understanding the nuances of what AI can and cannot do. So stick around and let's untangle this together. We'll explore the strengths and weaknesses of AI in software engineering. AI has gotten crazy good at coding. It can handle repetitive tasks and even some complex ones with surprising efficiency. Tools like Copilot and ChatGPT can write functions, fix bugs, and even generate entire programs. These tools are becoming indispensable in the developer's toolkit. Sounds terrifying, right? But here's the twist. AI is like a calculator for math. It's a powerful tool, but it doesn't replace the need for human insight and understanding. It speeds things up, but it doesn't replace the human who knows why you're solving the problem in the first place. The human element is crucial for context and creativity. Here's the catch. AI doesn't understand context. It can follow patterns and instructions, but it lacks the ability to grasp the bigger picture. It doesn't know why users need a feature or how to design an app people actually love. User experience and empathy are areas where humans excel. For example, would you trust AI to build the next big social media app without a human touch? The nuances of user interaction and engagement are beyond AI's current capabilities. Probably not. AI doesn't have creativity, empathy, or the ability to innovate beyond what it's trained on. These are uniquely human traits that are essential in software development. That's where humans come in. Collaboration, brainstorming, and creative problem solving are areas where humans shine. The real future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. Together, they can achieve more than either could alone. AI handles the boring, repetitive stuff, while engineers focus on the big picture problem solving. This synergy allows for greater innovation and efficiency. Think of it like having a super smart assistant who does the grunt work so you can shine. This partnership can lead to more fulfilling and impactful work for engineers. The engineers who embrace AI, they're the ones who'll thrive. By leveraging AI, they can enhance their capabilities and stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. So, what do you think? Will AI ever replace engineers, or will it simply change the way we work? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights and experiences are valuable to this discussion. And hey, if you love breaking down big tech questions like this, hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. You don't want to miss out on more videos like this one, right? Join the No Scope fam, and let's keep exploring together. There's so much more to uncover in the world of tech. Thanks for watching, and remember, tech isn't here to replace us, it's here to help us level up. Embrace the tools at your disposal and use them to your advantage. Stay curious, stay innovative, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding. Keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future is bright for those who adapt and evolve. So keep learning, keep growing, and let's make the future of tech together.